Welcome back. Residents of Manaswada Kundai are upset with the frequent cutoffs in the BSNL landline service. People claim BSNL authorities don't turn up even after the complaints. Consumers claim frequent cable thefts are interrupting the service, but the BSNL authorities are passing the buck on the contractor.
फोनाचो प्रमाण सदांच फोन मेळ जाता आनी आतां 8-10 दीस जाले अजून 9 दीस जाले आयजकालच्या आयतारा पसून ना तो परते परते जमडा वायरी थंय गेल्या केबल तोडला आनी काय म्हणना केबल आतां तूं फोन करून सांगता ते केबल तोडला म्हणटा
तुमकां त्रास कसो जाता फोनाचो फोन ना म्हटल्यार
आतां कितें जाता म्हणजे मागीर फाल्यां एक कोणाक फोन करताले भुरग्यांक जाल्यार म्हाका दानल म्हजी.
For past almost 1.5 years, this is the situation. BSNL's service has been very poor. Gopinath Kamath told us the reason behind frequent telephone cable thefts.
कितले झाले पण फोन
आता फोन बंद झाला डायरी कोण परवाच करना असोसिएशन गेला काय ना
कंप्लेन केली
कंप्लेन दिलीच तर माझ्या मग चालल्या ना राहतो
किती घंटा चोरून होता म्हणून
हय केबल चोरून व्हरता म्हणजे कितें हांगेली केबल वयले वयर आहा अशी केबल भितर जरी घालूं नाका काडली न्ही एकदम वयरच उडयता परती जॉयन मारना वता ती परती कोण.
Viraj Sapre said they receive phone bills on time, but not there isn't anybody to take cognizance of their complaints.
थोड्या लोकांनी म्हाका सांगचे BSNL लँडलायन कटूच करून उडयले कित्याक प्रत्येक फावटी जरी अशें जाता बिल टायमार येता पूण तांचे कोण हांगा एक्शन घेवपाक कोण येना.
We tried to contact the local BSNL authorities. They are passing the buck on the contractor, but behind the camera. Private telecom service players are facing a tough competition in the telecom sector. There is cutthroat competition and a race for lucrative schemes to attract the customers. On the other side, we have a typical example of an attitude of a company in the public sector, that's BSNL. Will the BSNL be able to retain its customer base with such callous attitude? A reporter from Kurnai, Vivek Prabhu.
Goa University is in the news once again, but this time it's for a joyous reason. The university has stood 35th among the top 50 universities in the country. The first ever survey on universities conducted by India Today along with a team of Nelson Company has revealed this fact. This survey was conducted by India Today and a team of Nelson Company for the universities offering humanities, science and commerce streams. Total 140 universities were examined in this survey. Almost 342 experts participated in this survey. The parameters on which universities were evaluated are reputation of university, quality of academic inputs, quality of faculty, research publication, reports, projects, infrastructure, placement opportunities, enrollment of higher education. In this, Goa University was given these marks out of 100. Reputation of university 34 out of 100, quality of academic inputs 32 out of 100, quality of faculty 33 out of 100, research publication reports projects 32 out of 100, infrastructure 32 out of 100 and placement opportunities 33 out of 100. Registrar of Goa University Mohan Sangodkar said that this ranking is a reassurance to the stakeholders. He is also hoping for more achievements in the coming years.
I think it should go as a reassurance to the stakeholders in Goa about the fact that whatever claims which Goa University had made with regard to its academic development, academic growth, research output, etc., has stood the test of time. This should be an encouraging thing for us, rather a boost for Goa University to carry forward the hard work that it has been putting in and try and secure still a better place. If at all there is any other ranking in the future, I think Goa University should be still in a position to have a better place than this.
A reporter from Panji, Lokek Shilkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi. Goa police are gearing up to apprehend the culprits involved in the desecration of idols and thefts at religious places. In the wake of such recurring incidents, SP Alan Disa held a meet with the heads of religious organizations. He has appealed for help from the people to curb this menace.
SP of South Goa Alan Disa along with Vasco PI Braz Menezes and Jivpa Dalbi held a meeting with the heads of religious organizations. The meeting discussed the incidents of desecration of idols and thefts in the religious places. Heads of churches, temples, mosques, gurudwaras and dargahs attended the meet.
Especially this temple, because it is become a big challenge. Second priority, but this is one big priority for us. Temples, churches and mosques.
LNDSA urged the religious organization heads to support the police team in nabbing the culprits.
Well, we have requested them that they should cooperate with us. They should give us all information, whatever is available with them. At the same time, they should try and engage some private security, whichever church or temple or mosque has got enough funds. And we have also suggested that they should request the volunteers to come and help the concerned churches, temples and mosques, so that the religious places are safe.
He also asked the authorities to maintain a register to note the patrolling by the police. He said, due to an insufficient police security force, full-time police security at religious places is impossible.
If you go by the representation, there will be about 100 churches, temples and mosques. And I don't think we have such a big force to post security police personnel at every religious building.
A reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
Residents of Honda in association with Ut Goenka staged a protest march at Honda Sattari on Tuesday. They are complaining about the dust pollution in the area. They have threatened to intensify the agitation if the government machinery doesn't act on this issue. Locals from Honda Sattari along with Ut Goenka got together outside Honda Panchayat and protested against the dust pollution. They narrated their sufferings.
मुद्दाम तो तुम्ही आता तिसका होतो तो पैसे आज सकाळी पुसला आहे आणि आता तो पैसे आणू कितके धुलत आणू ते आम्ही मग सांगू शकना आणि ज्यांना आम्ही रिक्वेस्ट करता आणू हो म्हाका लागना आणि तुका बेरडक सांगता
प्रयत्न केले की आमकां कितें तरी मदत करची कंपनीन किंवा कोणे की आमचो धुल्लो मातसो कमी करपाक पूण कोणूच आमकां फुडें सरले ना 2 वर्सां जालीं हेचे पयलीं मिटिंगो जालो आमी निवेदनां दिलीं पुलिसान दिली परत मामलेदारान दिली कोणेच आमचे कितें करूंक ना
मेरे बच्चे भी बीमार पड़ते जैसा पानी का गिलास लिए तो भी पानी में मिट्टी जाती
इतल्या लोकांक हांगासर कोणाक कितें पोटान धुल्लो वयता कोणाक खावपाक बसले जाल्यार तितूर धुल्लो घरान धुल्लो सगळ्याक धुल्लो आहा आनी हे मायनिंगेक लागून आनी सगळ्याक आमकां खुबसो प्रॉब्लेम जाला तेन्ना हांगासर ह्या पंचायतीक आमी कळयले हांगासर मायनिंग आमी सगळे एप्लिकेशन दिले.
Ut Goenka informed us that they will submit the memorandum to the Directorate of Mines and the Chief Minister. They have also threatened to intensify the agitation if the state administration doesn't act.
So accordingly on this issue we are एक आश्वासन दिता लोकांक हिंगा की आमी उगी बसपाचे ना टील ये सोल्यूशन तेंकां रिलीफ मेळो सर.
Sarpanch Ankush Gaonkar says he has already written to the concerned authorities.
रस्त्यार येवपाचें म्हणजे आमी आतां तेंचेर कळयला म्हणून आमी तेंचेर धाडना न्हू रस्त्यार येवपाचें आमकां काय पयलीं काय ना.
सरपंच म्हणून तूं आतां एक्शन कितें घेतलो सरपंच म्हणून तुका कितें अधिकार आसा तुजी जबाबदारी आसा
जबाबदारी आमी तेंकां कळयलां आतां तेंचें काय येता तें म्हाका पळोवपाचें आहा न्हू तेंकां लेटर केल्लीं आसा लेटर केल्ल्या नंतर काय दिता तें पळोवपाचें.
A reporter from Honda Sattari, Uday Parab. News from sports when we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.